Shivamogga police have issued warning notices to Ksrtc drivers and conductors operating on the Anandpura road in Sagar Taluk after a series of road accidents raised safety concerns in the area. The action comes in the wake of 4 road accidents reported within a week in Anandpura, prompting police to crack down on buses stopping on the roadside instead of inside designated bus stands. During an inspection, a police inspector stopped a Ksrtc bus that had halted on the road to pick up and drop off passengers. The inspector questioned the bus staff over their repeated failure to park inside the bus stand despite several warnings previously issued to the Sagar and Shivamogga depot managers. The inspector reportedly expressed anger over the negligence, asking whether public inconvenience was more important than passenger safety and questioning the responsibility of government bus drivers and conductors if accidents occur due to roadside stops. Police have now strictly instructed all Ksrtc buses operating on the Anandpura route to stop only inside bus stands. Officials warned that fines will be imposed from now on against buses if they found allowing passengers to board or alight on the roadside. Warning notices have been issued to drivers and conductors, with police stating that the move is aimed at preventing further accidents and ensuring public safety in the region. So viewers, what do you think? Will strict enforcement by police help to reduce accidents and improve passenger safety? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.